The Consumable Product Cost and Usage Calculator helps you effectively anticipate inventory quantities and costs associated with purchasing consumable items, such as toilet tissue, hand towels, hand soap, and trash liners. This video tutorial will give you a step-by-step walkthrough on how to use the calculator. The main thing to notice on the interface is that white boxes are where you enter data and gray boxes will display the calculated results. First, select the type of building that will be using the consumables and enter the building population. Next, enter the requested case size and packaging size for consumable items used in the facility. Amount per case will automatically calculate. When finished with the product packaging section, scroll down and use the product checkboxes to enable the lines for the items you need at this location. This will enable the cost per case field so you can enter an item price. When you've filled out the form, the yearly case usage and yearly price will automatically calculate and the pie graph will adjust at the top of the page. You may use the Generate PDF button at the bottom of the page to save or print your results. For more information, check out the PDF documents and instructions located on the website.